In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple currencies in Xero. Whether you're expanding your business internationally or simply dealing with clients from different countries, managing multiple currencies effectively is crucial. Let's dive in and ensure you're ready to handle any currency with ease. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Xero website. Type in Xero into your search engine and it should appear right at the top of your search results. Once there, locate the Login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will take you to the sign-in page, where you can enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to sign up first before following along. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard. Find your business name displayed somewhere on this page. Clicking on your business name is like opening the gateway to manage your settings, so make sure you're in the correct account if you manage multiple businesses. Next, you need to go to Settings. You'll usually find this option in the main menu or toolbar of your Xero dashboard. Clicking on Settings unveils a whole array of options you can adjust to suit your business needs. Within the Settings page, look for Currencies. This is where you manage all currency-related settings for your business. Click on Currencies to proceed. This section is your base of operations for handling different currencies, and it's where you'll be adding any new currencies. Now, you'll see an option to add currency. Click on it, and this will bring up a list of available currencies you can add to your account. If you work with several international clients, this feature is immensely helpful for making transactions smoother. Once the list of currencies appears, scroll through it to find the currency you need. If you already know what you're looking for, this part should be straightforward. But if not, don't worry. Take your time and choose the correct currency required for your transactions. After selecting the desired currency, it's important to confirm your choice. This is an extra step to ensure that everything is accurate, especially if you're handling large or frequent transactions in different currencies. Finally, after choosing your currency, click on Add Currency once more to confirm the addition. You should now see your new currency listed among others in your account. Congratulations, you've successfully added another currency to your Xero account. And there you have it. Your Xero account is now set up to handle multiple currencies, simplifying the way you do business worldwide. Remember, keeping track of different exchange rates and ensuring transactions are accurately recorded in the correct currency could save you time and stress in the long run. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy accounting.